चिन्ह लागुची बुद्धि चेहरा मोर
मनर फरद चिरी त देना अड़ुआ लागे काइते तुम अक्षर समयटा सुदु भारी जणे दिए भूते कथा कही गेले स्मृति लुटी निए रे
सुन पानी दिए सोनारी तू हाथ कतर गहना मु एका एका छाड़ी मते काई की जाऊ छु दूरे ना बुझा लगाइते
कानरे कुहना काई किएते ए मौन में घरे ओदा लागे कानरे कुहना काई किएते ए मौन में घरे ओदा लागे धीरे धीरे आसीनी दो घरे टाणी रे जे मते तो उठे टिके उसी आउसी भूले भाले सपन रे
नीला उठा तो जादू करे हसा कोड़ा पुड़िया
एलिवेशन दिखाते हैं डायरेक्टर साहब చూడండి దూకుడు సినిమాలో చూడండి మహేష్ బాబు ఇలాంటి సింగం రిటర్న్ సుప్రీం కోర్ట్ జోలి ఎల్ఎల్బి హై కోర్ట్ దట్ ఇస్ నోన్ యాజ్ మల్టీ పర్పస్ బిల్డింగ్ at a temple movie shoot here without any disturbance and so next we are going to see the Jaipur Hawa Mahal तो देखिए अभी हम लोग देखने जा रहे हैं हवा महल ఇప్పుడు మనం చూడడానికి వెళ్తున్నాం and left side the red color wall so that is Japanese garden the famous world movie कुछ कुछ
Bhagavatam set. Please look at your right hand side. This is Eureka Allur starting at ending point. Please look at the big blue color piece. It is called Pandu Star. It is mainly for children attraction place. We have one show and two major attractions. Look at your front side, big blue color design hall. It is RRM Ramoji movie magic. We have Space Yatra, Filmy Dunia, Lights, Camera, Action Show. After completion of the tour, they will drop you here. It will depend on you, sir, overall tour. Maximum, it will take 3 to 4 hours. Overall tour. Look at your right hand side. From outside, it is Delhi's Mughal garden. From inside, Mysore Vrindavan Palace. We can see in the movie Surya Vamsam. Please look at your left hand side, musical glow garden. It is a carnival special, opens at 6 p.m. in the evening with the cinematic lights.
छोटा बड़ा इवनिंग है मजा लगी
Again look at your left hand side, followed by Sierra Garden. It is mainly famous for group songs and romantic songs. Here Ooh La La song also shorted here. And from Telugu movie July, O Madhu song kuda ikkada shoot chesaru. Look at your right hand side. It is the Angel Fountain and it is the tallest fountain in the Ramoji Film City with the Greek architecture. We can see in the movie All the Best. Look at your left hand side. Backstage. It is called Limelight Garden. It is mainly famous for corporate events and marriage functions. Approx 2,000 members can be settled at a time. Look at your left hand side top. Rajasthani replica Hawa Mahal. From there we can see 70% of Ramoji Film City. You have a dropping point also. We can see in the song Dream Mom Wake Up.
क्रिटिकल कंडीशन
Followed by Karishma Garden. It is mainly famous for songs. And if the heroine wears a yellow color saree, yellow color flowers, blue color saree, blue color flowers will be planted, and original flowers only planted. We have a separate department called Sangrila department. Director should inform before 45 days. Look at your front side of the road, front side. Have you all seen RRR movie?
Yeah.
Regular. From the movie RRR. Department, if directive wants cameras or generators, they will take on the rental basis. Look at your right hand side, jug fountain. With the Roman architecture, it is attachable and detachable fountain. Over here, three statues replaced. And the boundless scene also sorted everything. Again, look at your right hand side, multi-purpose building. Have you all seen Chandramukhi movie?
Yes.
From the movie Chandramukhi Venkatapuram Palace. It has 3 elevations. From front side Haveli, back side court, and other side is the library. And we can see in the song Mehbooba. Look at your front side road. Have you all seen Magadhira movie? Ram Charan sir movie. Magadhira. From the movie Magadhira, Ram Charan sir bike entry scene was shotted on this road. Okay, look at your right hand side top behind the trees. You can see the temple over there. Temple behind the trees. There is a temple over there. The temple from Chennai Express movie Meenamma temple. But there is no God over there. God comes with the director and goes with the director. In Chennai Express movie, how many steps are shown? 300. But here 30 steps. Cameraman's magic. Welcome to the north settings of Ramoji Film City. Please look at your left hand side white color structure. If it is fully painted in white, it is Gurudwara. If it is painted in gold, it is Golden Temple. Look at your front side two gates. Front side brown color gates. These gates are called as Fatehpur Sikri Buland Darwaza. We can see in the movie RRR. Again, look at your left hand side white color structure. If it is fully painted in white, it is Taj Mahal. If it is painted in white and green, it is Masjid. As a Masjid, we can see in the movie Janta Garage. Look at your front side brown color gate. It is Gateway of India. North to Delhi, 2 minutes walk. Look at your both sides of the buildings, both sides. These buildings we can see in the movie Gangubai Kathiawadi. Look at your left hand side again. These two buildings are Bengali typical houses we can see in the movie Sham Singorai, Dabang and Lucky Bhaskar. Look at your left hand side top three buildings. The three buildings are called as the flex houses. 70% of the movie will be covered over here because front side hero, back side heroine, other side comedian, other side villain. First building we can see in the movie Attarintiki Daredi. Second Dil Wale, Kajal Mam's house. Third one Rebel movie Prabhas sir house. Look at your right hand side. From outside it is Ladies Central Jail. From inside, what is inside? Anyone has any guess? From inside, it is a beauty parlor. Welcome to the north settings of Ramoji Film City. Have you all seen Pushpa movie? Yes. Pushpa? Yes. No Josh, no energy. From the movie Pushpa, title song was shorted on this road. And this is a place where statues will be replaced according to the director choice. Mahatma statue, Mahatma Nagar, Nehru statue, Nehru Nagar, your statue, your Nagar, my statue, my Nagar.
Yes.
From the movie Pushpa, Shekhavatsa police station. From the movie Gabbar Singh, Pawan Kalyansa police station and Singham Returns Goa police station. One setting, three elevations, three police stations. Have you seen Dilwale movie? Yes. From the movie Dilwale, Shah Rukh Khan's garage. From the movie Chandramukhi, Dance Master Gunashekaran's house. Look at your both sides of the settings. These are the only front elevations made up of POP, plaster of Paris and cardboard sheets. We can see in the movie Bahubali tax collection scenes and Chennai Express movie Village. They will show you as the villages in the movies. Anyone want to go inside? No? Anyone? If you go inside, you'll directly go to the jungle. Okay, please look at your right hand side top. First building was ETD Bharat, second building was eNadu, and other one is a Usha Kiran Private Limited, and these are the original buildings and main head offices. Have you all seen Bahubali movie? Bahubali. Bahubali was also released today. Anyone have idea? Re-released today.
Today, yes.
From the movie Bahubali, some of the scenes were shot on the hill. Look at your front side of the road, front side. This road is used as a highways in the movies. Okay, now I'm going to give some general information about Ramoji Film City. Early Ramoji Rao Garu has bought this land in 1990 and construction started in 1992, production started in 1996. First movie was Badi Miya Chote Miya, second movie was Manana Pelli, third one is the Nightfall and the Crocodile. And Guinness World Records with 1,666 acres and 47 sound stages, but it is now 2,000 acres. Coming to the tour, you need to change 6 to 7 buses. It takes 3 to 4 hours of time. Our first stopping point was Bhagavatam. It is a mythological set of Ramayana and Mahabharata. From the exit of Bhagavatam, you have snacks bars, restaurants. We can see in the movie DJ Tillu. Now we are entering to the Bhopal Central Jail. Without any crime. Statues will be replaced according to the director choice with the junior artist. Have you all seen Drishyam movie? Drishyam. From the movie Drishyam, dead body hiding scene was shot in this place. Still dead body under hiding. And that is the front elevation. These two are the back elevations. We can see in the movie OG, Coolie, Jailer, Nene Raju, Nene Mantri, Lucky Bhaskar, PS1, PS2, Pushpa, Drishyam. Look at your front side. Front side. This is Asia's finest adventure land called Sahas. You have two complimentary activities. Sumo Suits and Happy Hits are the two complimentary activities. After Bahubali visiting, they will drop you at Matka. Sit from the Matka, you need to walk and come to the Sahas. Both sides, these buildings are called BSF, Big Shooting Floors. Bahubali waterfall scene has shotted in the building, and Pushpa songs were shotted, and recently Mahesh Babu sir song also shotted, and Mahanati from the movie Mahanati, some of the scenes were also.
चलो ମୁଁ ସେଇଟା କଥା କହୁଥିଲି ସେଇଟା
फैमिली फोर्स। अब तक आपने जो भी फिल्में देखी है वे सभी इसी जगह यानी रामोजी फिल्म सिटी में शूट की गई है। चलिए जानते हैं ये फिल्में कैसी बनती हैं। सिनेमा कहानी सुनाने से ही बढ़ के यह एक अद्भुत दृश्य यात्रा है। मूवी के सेट सिर्फ इस्तेमाल की चीज ही नहीं, ये कल्पना को आकार देते हुए भावनाओं को बढ़ाते हैं। महलों से लेकर शहर के नजारों तक एक नई दुनिया को निर्माण करने में सेट दृश्य रूप देता है। जब हम छोटे बच्चे थे, दादी और नानी कहानी सुनाते थे, माँ बाप कहानी सुनाते थे, तब हम काल्पनिक रूप से दृश्य को देखा करते थे। अब उसी को पेशा बना लिया।
प्रोडक्शन डिजाइन का मतलब कहानी के हिसाब से दृश्यों को वास्तविक रूप देना, आलोचना के हिसाब से डिजाइन करना।
फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जब राजमौली मुझे मुंबई में मिलने आए थे, मुझे बाहुबली के स्केल के बारे में कुछ भी नहीं पता था। वे कई बार मुझे एक वाटरफॉल के बारे में बताया करते थे जो हजारों फीट की ऊंची है। उन्होंने कहा कि सर, अगर मैं ये फिल्म बनाऊंगा तो उसमें ये जरूर रहेगा। तब मैंने सोचा कि इसके ऊपर किस तरह से काम कर सकते हैं। बाद में जाकर मैंने उनके सोच को हिसाब लगाया।
बाहुबली के बड़े माहिष्मती सेट को हमने 1000 कारीगरों का उपयोग कर सिर्फ 65 दिनों में पूरा किया।
ट्रिपल आर में राम का किरदार अग्नि को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा था, तो उसी चीज को दर्शाते हुए सेट लगाना चाहते थे। उसी जमाने के एक ब्रिटिश एकेडमी को दिखाना था, इसीलिए दार्जिलिंग के कुछ पुलिस एकेडमी के रेफरेंस लेकर रामोजी फिल्म सिटी में ही उस सेट को बनाया गया।
We are shooting my intro with close to 800 to 900 people, which might look like 6,000 to 7,000 people on screen.
हम कृष्ण करते वक्त स्टैचू को ऐसे जगह लगाना था जो एक पब्लिक प्लेस हो, मगर पब्लिक प्लेस में भीड़ की वजह से ये सिर्फ नहीं लगा सकते।
हमारे पास एक परमानेंट जग फाउंटेन है, उसको निकालकर कृष्ण का स्टैचू लगाया था और साथ ही स्ट्रीट एम्बियंस क्रिएट करके शूट किया था। हिंदी सिनेमा में दिलवाले, चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस और सूर्यवंशी की बात करें तो इस सूर्यवंशी सिनेमा के लिए जैसलमेर की गलियां आरएफसी में बना दी थी। अगर देखा जाए तो उस शहर को बनाने के लिए कई साल लगेंगे, मगर हमने उस गली को 35 दिनों में ही पूरा करके टीम को सौंप दिया। सिनेमा से संबंधित प्रोडक्शन डिजाइनर, डायरेक्टर अपनी आलोचना के हिसाब से पेंसिल स्केच या कॉन्सेप्ट डिजाइन के जरिए हमसे मिलने के बाद उस डिजाइन का हम मिनिएचर बनाकर उन्हें दिखाते हैं। इससे पता चलेगा कि यह दृश्य रूप में कैसा रहेगा।
अगर पुष्पा मूवी के सॉन्ग को देखा होगा तो लगेगा कि ये टेंट में चल रहा है, मगर ये मुमकिन नहीं है क्योंकि लाइटिंग एलिमेंट्स और डांसर्स को जगह चाहिए। इन सभी एलिमेंट्स को जोड़ के सेट को डिजाइन करके इस तरह से दिखाया गया है।
लाइक रियलिटी और फिल्म मेकिंग का जो एक बहुत अच्छा तालमेल होता है ना, बहुत अच्छा एग्जाम्पल है।
अभी पुष्पा मूवी 2 में भी एक स्पेशल सॉन्ग और एक ड्यूट सॉन्ग है। हालात ऐसे थे कि 6 दिनों में उस सेट को पूरा करना था। उतने बड़े सेट्स को हमने पूरा कर दिया।
केजीएफ सेट में 1970-80 दशक के पार्लियामेंट सेट को बनाना था। उसके लिए कुछ रेफरेंसेस देखकर हमने उस सेट को डिजाइन किया। सालार मूवी के खानसार सिटी को भी रामोजी फिल्म सिटी के 10 एकड़ जमीन में निर्माण कर शूट किया गया। उसे भी हम लोगों ने 1970 और 80 दशक के निर्माणों को और अलग अलग पहलुओं को जमा करके वास्तविकता का रूप देकर एग्जीक्यूट किया।
एक बार हम डिजाइन करने के बाद उस पर काम करने के लिए हमारे आर्ट डायरेक्टर्स, उनके एसोसिएट्स और कई लोग होते हैं। इस पे